Chirping Chirp. It was a bright and sunny morning. Daniel woke up and jumped out of bed, ready for a full day outside. He ran down the stairs and sat down at the kitchen table. His mom was making pancakes, Daniel's favorite. She made pancakes every Saturday morning. "What do you want to do today?" she asked Daniel. "I think I'm going to go exploring in our backyard," he told her. "It's so nice outside." Daniel gobbled up his pancakes and rushed upstairs to get dressed. He put on a red t-shirt and jeans. "All right, Mom. I'll be back later." "Don't go too far," she told him. When he opened the door, Daniel felt a rush of warm air. He smiled at the sun. Perfect hiking weather, he thought. Daniel loved his backyard. There were plenty of tall trees. If he walked far enough, he would reach a creek. When it was really warm outside, he could walk in the water to cool off. The water was always cold. The leaves were just beginning to grow on the trees after the cold winter. Daniel wandered a bit. He picked up a long stick and used it to clear a way through the forest. Suddenly, Daniel saw something in the distance that wasn't a rock or a leaf. When he got closer, he knelt down to investigate. He found a small injured bird between the fallen leaves. He looked around and saw a bird's nest sitting on a branch. He carefully climbed up the trunk of the tree with the nest to get a closer look. The nest was empty, and he didn't see any birds around. Then he ran back to his house. "Mom, I found a bird that's hurt," he told her as he ran through the door. She looked for a shoebox, and then she said, "Well, let's go have a look." Daniel led his mom back to the injured bird. His mom knelt down and looked carefully at it. "Let's try to save it," she said. She gently picked up the bird and put it in the shoebox. Then she said, "We can take it to the animal hospital in town." They took the bird to the animal hospital. After a few days, the vet visited Daniel's house with the bird. It was healed. Daniel and his mom could hear the bird chirping when they opened the door. The vet said, "The bird is ready to go back to its home in the trees." Daniel was so excited. He looked at the bird and said, "I'm going to name you Chirp. I hope I can see you again. Bye, Chirp."